Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through behaviour tracking sheets. What is a behaviour tracking sheet? A behaviour tracking sheet is a useful tool used in different areas, especially in healthcare and education. It helps people like doctors, teachers, and caregivers keep track of how someone behaves over time. This could be a patient, student, or someone they are looking after. You'll often find these sheets in hospitals, clinics, schools, and places where people receive care. This document has sections where you write down specific details. These include when and what time the behaviour happened, a description of the behaviour, how long it lasted, how intense it was, what might have caused it, and what actions were taken to deal with it. By carefully noting all of this information, professionals can start to see patterns in behaviour, understand what sets it off, and figure out why it's happening. This information allows them to create effective plans and strategies to manage or change the behaviour. These tracking sheets are especially important for people with behavioural challenges, medical conditions, developmental issues, or undergoing therapy or treatment. They help build a detailed picture of how a person behaves. This information is incredibly helpful for doctors, teachers, and caregivers to make smart decisions and adjust their plans to give the best support possible. To use our free behaviour tracking sheet, follow these steps. Download our behaviour tracking sheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Gather the necessary tools like a pen or pencil and a stable surface for writing. Write the person's name and any unique identifier at the top of the sheet. Record the date and exact time of each behavioural incident to establish a timeline. Provide a specific and objective description of the observed behaviour in the designated section. Note how long the behaviour persisted, using minutes or hours as appropriate. Assess and record the intensity or severity of the behaviour using the provided scale or descriptive terms. Document any factors or events that might have triggered the behaviour, such as stresses or specific interactions. Describe the interventions or responses taken to address the behaviour, including who performed them. If applicable, note any feedback received from the individual, caregivers, or professionals involved. Regularly review the recorded data to identify patterns or trends in the behaviour, focusing on common triggers and effective interventions. Keep the behaviour tracking sheet organised and secure for future references or sharing with relevant parties. Here is a sample of our behaviour tracking sheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our behaviour tracking sheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.